So once you are open your software, Vegas Pro 15 software, you will see this type of software interface. And in this lecture, I will give you a brief overview of this Vegas Pro 15 software. Because if you are newbie and never opened any video editor before, then you might open it up and close this. Because you have no clue that what to do with all these buttons, boxes, lines and everything else. That's why I give you a quick overview. I'm not covering every single button on this video. But throughout this course, we'll cover most of these things of Vegas Pro 15. On the very left side, here you see different tabs. First tab is Project Media. And in this Project Media tab, we can add different type of videos, picture, audio, etc. I already added few sample videos in this Project Media section. And in our next tab is Explorer. From this Explorer tab, you can easily access your hard drive, document, etc. to import your media files. And our third tab is Transitions. Here you see a bunch of different transactions are available. If you want to add any type of transaction in between two or more clips, then you can simply add different type of transactions effect in between your two or more video clips. And our fourth one is Video Effects. And on the left side, if I scroll down, here you see a bunch of different video effects are available right here. To see any of these effects preview, simply hover over your mouse, then you can see the preview right here. And the last one is Media Generation tab. And here we see a bunch of different media generation presets are available. And we can easily add them in our video clip. Alright, on the right side, here we see our preview screen. And in the bottom, this is our timeline. From our project media, we can easily add different type of video, audio or picture in timeline. Now if I move this timeline indicator, then here you see we can see the preview on this screen. And in timeline, here you see this is our video file and this is the audio file of this video clip. And under this, here you see a couple of buttons, and also under this preview screen, here you see play, pause and stop button. And last one is hamburger button. This is a new button of this Vegas Pro 15 software. We talk more about this button in details in our later sections. And another cool feature is you can easily change this dark software theme easily. If you want to change the software interface color, then simply go to Option, Preference and go to Display tab. And here you see interface type, by default it is selected dark. Now if you want to change the software interface, then simply choose medium, light or white. This time I choose light and hit apply. To change the software interface type, we need to restart this software. Now I hit on OK. This time I just close it and open it again. Look, our software interface color is just changed. Now let's go to Option, Preference, Display, and this time I like this dark theme, that's why I choose dark and hit apply. And now I restart it again. I personally like this dark interface color of this Vegas Pro 15 software because it is actually good for our eyes. Makes sense, huh? Let's go to Preference, Display, and here you see icon color strength. And here you see all of these icons, colorful icons basically. If you want to change this color to make this desaturated, then simply set the slider value in 0 and hit apply. Look, now all of our icons is now desaturated. To make this default, simply go to Display and set it in 50 or 75. Hit apply and restart your software. Pretty cool, right? So this is basically the overview of new Sony Vegas 15 software. And in our next lecture, we will create a new project and add media files in our Vegas Pro 15 software and add them in timeline, and we'll start our video editing.